In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animations and interactions with Wix Studio. Whether you're spicing up a personal site or enhancing a business web page, using animations and interactions can make a significant impact on how visitors experience your site. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to the Wix website. You can simply type in the Wix URL in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the site has loaded, you'll need to log in to your account. If you're already a user, just enter your credentials and sign in. In case you're new to the platform, creating an account is just a few clicks away, and it's entirely straightforward. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open your existing project, or if you're starting from scratch, create a new site. If you have an ongoing project, simply navigate to your dashboard and choose it from the list. Otherwise, select the option to start a new project, and Wix will guide you through setting up the basics, from choosing a template to configuring your site's structure. With your project open, look at your canvas, where you'll want to click on any element you plan to animate. This could be a text box, an image, or even a button. Once you've selected the element, direct your gaze to the tools available. You'll want to find and click on the Interactions icon. It typically appears like a little spark or magic wand, signifying creativity and movement. Within the Interactions menu, you'll find a variety of options at your disposal. Begin by choosing an interaction type that suits the element you're working with. This could be something that animates on mouse hover, scroll, or even a simple click. Each interaction type can significantly alter how users engage with the element, so consider which one best fits your design goals. Once you've settled on an interaction type, you have the option to select a pre-built animation, or get a bit more creative by designing a custom one. Pre-built animations are handy and save time, offering a range of professional-looking movements. However, if you prefer to tailor each detail, creating a custom animation gives you full control over the specifics. After choosing or creating your animation, take a moment to adjust the animation settings. This step allows you to fine-tune details such as the speed, delay, and path of movement, ensuring everything aligns with your vision for the site. Before you head on to publish, it's a good idea to click the preview button. This feature lets you see how your animations and interactions play out in a live setting, without making them public just yet. If anything seems off, you can make further refinements. And there you have it, a walkthrough to mastering animations and interactions in Wix Studio. With these tools, your website will be both dynamic and engaging, inviting users to explore and interact. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.